Recently I got to check out the 24-inch iMac, the brand new iMac Apple has released, and it has an M1 processor and 8 gigs of RAM and it has all that jazz. I'm not going to go into that. I want to talk about the video editing experience as a creator. What was the experience like coming from what was essentially a dinosaur here? Yeah, I want to talk to you about my experience with 24-inch iMac coming from a late 2015 iMac. Let's get into it. Okay, I did not buy one. Let me get that clear. Before everyone goes down to the comments, I did not buy a 24-inch iMac M1. No, but I did go into the store and I got to play around with it for a couple of hours and I put it through the ringers and I compared it to the MacBooks that had M1. What I noticed was this when I was using it. It is very difficult to complain about it. Yes, okay, there's no dedicated GPU. Yeah, like I use currently, it does not have a dedicated GPU. The best thing about the M1 iMac was the 8-core processor. Coming from an iMac with a quad-core processor from 2015 i5, there's a significant difference there. And even just the fact that I was comparing it to my laptop, which is a 10th gen i5, the M1 still beat it in a lot of ways. And the M1 does not have a dedicated GPU. You notice I come a lot back to the dedicated GPU a lot of the time. Here's the thing. As a creator, a video creator, I need as much performance as possible. I need the fastest export times, the best timeline performance. I will use whatever machine gives me that. And that is why I am so impressed with M1. I'm so impressed with M1 in the 24-inch iMac. Not because of the design. The design is cool and you've all seen people talk about the design. Sure, the Touch ID keyboard is cool, coming from a Magic Keyboard 2. Yeah, okay, that is cool. But it's not why you'd buy that machine. This machine is for just a regular consumer who might want to do a bit of editing on the side. I challenge you, if you are a creator, to really see what you can get done on these M1 machines. Because this is the future of computing, ARM-based CPUs. You might think you need a Pro M1X machine, but you don't. Someone like me who thought they needed a dedicated GPU, who thought they needed more RAM, who thought they needed a better CPU. When you pair it with Final Cut Pro, the export times are unmatched. I went into the store, I brought my hard drive, I loaded up one of my projects. An average size project. I edited the timeline, I exported. No lag on the timeline, no waiting, no rendering necessary. And what's even better is I saw 2 or 3 times the speeds that I see on my late 2015 machine. And that is why it's impressive to me. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below, or join the Discord. Link is always in the video description. My name is Connor, and I'll catch you next one. Goodbye.